Hey everyone, welcome back to The Witness. Getting really close now. 3 sections left, I guess. So, that's interesting. So I guess maybe I'll explain these puzzles first. These are the only puzzles that do this, I'm pretty sure. Maybe there's like 1 or 2 that probably do it in the village, because that is just a combination of all the puzzles. But yeah, so essentially, listening to the bird coming from the speaker, it goes high, low. So that's essentially all there is to it. And it does it with da 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 da. So either high, low, middle. Yeah, it's high, low, middle. Da 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 da. I did it wrong. Da 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 da. Damn it. Okay, let's. Da 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 da. It's either that or I have to switch the middle and last one. Da 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 da. Oh, wait. Da 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 da. There we go. Only took me a whole bunch of tries. Yeah, I already. Da, 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 da. And then the worst part is now there's a bunch of distractions that go along with it all. This time it's a cell phone. Wait, is there anything back here, or is it just a path that goes through? It's just a path that goes through. Okay. Da 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 da. Oh. Go again, please. Okay. Only gets worse. Okay. Hello. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da da da. I'll be. I don't know the words though. Oh, wait. Shit. Sounds right to me. Okay, let's listen to it. This is gonna be wrong as well. Fuck me. Okay. Okay. It sounds low, middle, low, high, low, high. I don't know how well my whistling is going into my mic. Hopefully it sounds fine. So obviously the last one's high. Is it low, high, low? Maybe it's middle, high, middle, high. Shit, I'll try it low, high. I can't remember the ones I've already tried. That's the problem. I think I might have already tried low, high, low, high. I have, I'm pretty sure. Mother. Okay, I have one last possible guess. Maybe it's middle, but I'm pretty sure it's high. Yeah, let's listen to it. Come on, broski. If we stand right next to this. Give me your secrets, Magic Man. That's not right. Wait, why is it playing the... Dun, 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 dun. It played the one from way back there, even though I'm standing over here. Oh. I'm pretty sure it's low, middle, low, high. This is killing me. I'm also afraid to keep just randomly guessing because it's gonna make me go back. Whoa, da, da, da. Middle, low, middle, high. Mid, low, mid, high. I need to try something. I'm gonna look up sheet music to stay. Because that's what it sounds like to me. So if that's right, then I should be able to tell where all the notes stand. Okay. Stay. Sheet music. Or maybe I'll just listen to it a whole bunch. That it gets in my head and it's I got it. Here, before I do it, I'll try just one more. Mother trucker. Nope. Listen. I told you I never would told you wait. Do I change? Nope. That was off. That was not to mention my singing sounded bad. I think that's the real reason I So I think this confirms that it's not Stay by whatever, by Kid Leroy and Justin Bieber. This is what it sounds to me. But okay, I can't tell if it goes medium, low, medium, high, or low, medium, low, high. But the big problem with that is I've tried both of those, and have I not tried that one bit yet? I'm a freaking idiot. Okay, I need to figure out where that goes. I think it's up here somewhere. I also think there's like a slight maze up here. I just have to figure out how to freaking get to it. The heck? Is it this way? Don't like that thing. That's creepy. I feel like I'm being haunted. Okay, apparently I'm missing some more stuff. That's disappointing to know. I don't like this tree. That is a scary sounding tree. So obviously I've got to figure out where this goes. Oh, it goes up here. Wait a second. Stay away from the creepy thing, of course, but... Wait, no, maybe it goes the other way. I think it goes this way, actually. Wait. Because now there's this stuff. Oh. Wait, does it go this way? It does. What is this? Do I have to... Okay, I think I have to go around. Get down there. I don't know if I can go around this thing or if I have to go the long way. Can I at least go around this? Okay, yeah, that's good. Thank goodness. Did I ever do the apple trees? I don't think that actually goes anywhere important. It just shows some secret stuff. Also, I haven't heard any recordings recently. Also, I haven't been paying too much attention. Oh, okay. Hi, low. Oh, crap. Hi, low. Dun, 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 dun. Maybe. Come on. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. It's the Shining theme. Wait, no. Play that noise again. Please. High, low, medium, low, low, medium, low. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. These ones are a lot easier for me. Never mind. Imagine if that was their whole plan, was to make it sound like just popular songs. I don't think Stay was out until way after this game, but also I was very wrong about it sounding like Stay. It's according to the sheet music. Because yes, I did look that up. Well, wait. My phone went off. How much time do I have left? That only took me like 20 minutes. It's the real... Oh wait, what's this? Real question is, do I keep this short, or do I start another section and make a possibly longer episode? I don't know. I'll at least walk over there. Because part of me feels like where I'm literally just on the edge of being done. I literally just have this. And then the village. But of course, I'm still confused about some other things as well. Like the mirror and the other thing. Oh, you know what? I know what I'll do. Because it's been a shorter episode, I'll go do the apple tree thing that I just mentioned. Also, ooh, what's this? Let's go into a windmill. Oh, wait, this is one of the moving things. Wait, it goes down? Okay, now I'm exploring a lot of stuff. What the heck? Oh, this goes down. I'm still going down. Wait, is this the stuff I saw before at the... I have no idea where I am. I haven't seen this before. There's also a path above me? What the heck? I have not seen this crap before. What the heck? Talk about secrets. Oh my gosh. Well, now I know what I'm doing. Is that... Hold on, what's this though? there's this little room with speakers. It's like a sound room. What the? Okay, let me. Okay, I think I got this. Did that not work? Oh, because I'm an idiot. Obviously. I thought that would make that do a thing. Okay, let's try this. This should work. Do I not have to do both doors? I just need one to get across. What in the heck? Well, I'll come back to that. I'm kind of curious what. Has that even always been there? Because I've been in this thing before. Wait, have I? I'm pretty sure I've been in this thing before. There's more of this crap. What the heck? No, wait, that's not gonna work either. Like this. And then there's another. This crap's crazy, man. And this is nothing yet. What the fact that I'm still finding new crap. Oh, I know what this is. I know what this is for. I've actually seen the thing for this before. How do I get back to it? Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Because there's a bunch of these things, actually. There's a bunch of these solutions. This must be a sound room, and it tells us more stuff. Does it play like movies? I don't know. I'm also kind of hellbent on getting this door open. Oh, that doesn't work though. This, on the other hand, does work. If I did it right. I'm a freaking idiot. Oh gosh. Now there's more of this crap I have to. Because what's over there? I don't know where that goes to. I don't think it's the. It's not the desert. That doesn't even go the right direction, I don't think. Okay, I thought it was dark, so I thought maybe. The heck? Then what does this thing do? So it either clockwise or counterclockwise. I don't know what that's for. Did it do anything down here? Should open this door. Is anything? Okay, I'm gonna. Here, I'll do this. I won't touch the other stick I don't know exactly which direction I need to be going once I get out. Just keep going on. Maybe this does go, so this is the desert. Wait a second. Because it's kind of pointing that way. I'm looking right at the desert. I haven't touched the other stick. It's pointing straight to the desert. Oh yeah, because then there's this freaking thing that I noticed. Wait a second. Okay, the elevator's up, so I think I can get down there. Sorry, hi. I mean, not sorry, but I just think it's funny how I was going to do something else. And I get completely sidetracked. Wait, how do I get down there again? Where are the freaking stairs? Is there stairs somewhere? Was it over here? It was over here. Yeah. I just have to run all the way down. Because otherwise the elevator will get in my way. Yeah, I can't walk through that. Ugh. Getting PTSD. It's still... This is also locked with a thing on the side. Real question is, how do I get in the middle then? Okay, so there's something between the village and the temple that gets me down there. I feel like at some point I was able to get down there, but I don't know when or how. Yeah, because it's these little things. Oh, and as I walk past them, they like blow wind. Woo, woo. I thought this thing was moving. It was me moving. Maybe it has something to do with the apple tree puzzles. Maybe that takes me down there somewhere. So let's go to the apple trees like I originally was going to do. Just need to find the first one, wherever it is. This one doesn't do a laser, but it unlocks a different area. So that's why I'm looking for it. Here we go. Okay, so that's there. And this one is... Okay. It's... Wait, was it here or... Here? I did that wrong. I think. I have to redo each of them when I mess up. Which makes sense because, yeah. If you just went through all of the solutions. Right. Okay, I see where I went wrong. It was this one. There was my timer, but I'm in too deep now. I've gotta at least do this. Okay. This time it's this one. And this opened the gate, did it? Or maybe the gate was already opened. Oh, interesting. Okay. So, obviously, this thing's broken, which means that it actually, in order to correspond with this one, where that one has the missing piece, I have to be looking at it from this way, which means it is this one. Oh gosh. This one doesn't have an apple, so that means it's one of the broken ones. Oh wait, that means it's the one that's broken that isn't supposed to be broken. So how many broken ones are there? Let's see. So there's that 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I got it. It's this one. So obviously the apple broke off. So does this have a secret area down? It doesn't. Which means... oh my gosh. Is that a heart in that tree? Oh, that's not a tree, that's... that's veins and arteries and stuff. That's a person right there. That's an actual heart. I noticed the shoulders and neck afterwards. Ooh, yummy. Someone must have been here recently in order for the apple to be sliced. Dang. Because now I'm left unsatisfied. Because I never was able to get between those two places. Which means there's another way down there that I don't know about. Dang. Well, the less I know, the better. That's not true. I kind of want to know. Curiosity killed the cat. Maybe I'm better off dead. I don't know. We'll find out in the next episode. Oh, so did you see what I did there? Yeah. Okay. Bye.